once again, is Richard Uwe here. Still the Friday Bonanza. As I already said on the other video, that I'm going to be showing another plan. It picked another two show. Another two show also set the numbers they played last week. It set another two show. That two show is also good and it's been playing. I just don't want to leave it behind for it to play like what I did. So let's look at this before we go to the plan in the Lucky Tuesday paper. Still in national, the plan I just showed, the main plan that I've shown. Here is another confirmation. Still, you can see it over here that they also play 74. Following week, single 8 play. Then the same 1265 is there to play 1265. So just a confirmation. You can see 74 following week, single 8. So 1265 supposed to play for us. Too sure. That is our main event. Too sure. Okay. Now let's go straight to the Lucky Tuesday. I'm going to show all of them, all the places that the plan play. I'm going to show also. Let's see how it is. You can see in Lucky Tuesday in the year 2007, they play single 1 first, following with single 3, then the 68 will play at winning. So you see the position that the 68 play at first position. Following week, the 68 will repeat and play with 69, difference 1. 68, 69, difference 1. This is one of them. This is where he play first. Then another place that is also in the year 2008. 2008. You can see here they play 90 first. 1, 2, 3. Then they play 65. Following week 67 play under it. Then they play single 1 46 in machine. Last week you can see they play the 68 at winning. Then single 3 play in machine. So following week the 68 repeat, play with the 69, difference 1. So the single 1, that is the difference 1, also come out to play with it to form 3 numbers. So you can see it's the same thing. Single 1, single 3, 68 before you play the difference 1. Then you do the same thing again. Single 1, single 3, 68. Then the difference 1, 68, 69. The 68 will repeat and play with the difference 1. But here I add the single 1 itself to it to play 3 numbers. Then we move to another one. This one also play in 2014. 2014. So you can see instead for the single 1 to play with the 46 in machine, they split them. But they play the 46 at last position. Then following week, the 68 play at second position again. So following week, you see that the 68 will repeat, play with the 69. Here too, you can see the 46 itself came out to play with it to form 3 numbers. But the two short is 69, 68. As you can see, 69, 68. Then recently, again, this one also is like what they said in Friday. You can see they did not play the single 1 and then the things over there, but they just go ahead, play 68 with 18. 68 with 18. Then following week, you can see the 68 they repeat again, play with the 69. Here also, even the 18 repeat to join it and even play with the 10. As you can see. So even on this event, our single 7 on our main event is also there. So as you can see, they play 81, that is the 18 standing, the 18 itself, and then the 68 also will repeat. So it's 2 numbers that repeat on that event. So you repeat and play with the 69. You can see they use the 20 to log the event here. I'm not using any of the event. All the events, they are all good. I'm not using any of them because money is not there like that for everybody to be spamming every lotto. So if you want to add the 68, 69 with the single 1 46, you can, because lotto nobody knows what will play. So when you come to the current all the things that I've shown in the Lucky Tuesday, this is how they are at the current. You can see the single 146 in machine. Then they play the 68. You see the position at the 68 is second position. Then they play 40 single 3. So the first ones that I've shown, single 1, single 3, then the 68. So following week the 68 is supposed to repeat and play with 69. Then this single 1 will join. That is one of them. Then you see the other one also 46 with single 1 before the single 3. Then the 68 play. Either they add the 46. You see the position that it is. 46 at last position. So it's supposed to also come out and play with the 69, 68. So even the one that I've shown, one of them play 90. You can see, then you count 3 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see 65, 1, 2, 3. They play 65 first, put 67 and narrate. Then they play single 1 in machine, single 3, and then the 68. So it's the same thing that is playing in the Lucky Tuesday over here. This one, the one over here. They pack this 65, then the single 146, single 3, 68. Then they're supposed to play the one that the single 1 came to play with it. So hopefully even that too sure can also play for us, because it's the same thing that is setting. He play in national. The same thing also play in national. But this one I don't want it to also be long, so let's end it here. Bye for now.